What is up, all of you wonderful people? I just dropped Mary off at the ferry. I am clean shaven and it is a beautiful day. We're gonna go grab some coffee, so let's do this thing. Alright, but so here's the thing with today. I actually don't have any adventures planned. It's actually a relatively boring day of work for the gym. I've got a bunch of edits to do. Yeah, I gotta work later on tonight. It's really actually about it. So we're gonna see how this goes, right? I'm just gonna film myself throughout the day. I have no idea what's gonna happen. I don't know how I'm gonna turn this day into an adventure. I'm gonna try for the best of me, but I honestly have no idea how to make this exciting, so we're gonna see what happens. Yeah, I mean, Mary's not even gonna be home tonight. Like, I'm gonna be home by myself, like left to my own devices. Do I even know how to cook? What am I gonna even eat? I guess I don't have to do takeout? No, I'm just kidding. I'm a great cook. Maybe I'll cook for you guys. Who knows? We're gonna try to make this exciting, see what happens. I honestly have no idea, but stay tuned. All right, ladies and gentlemen, well, been working for a few hours now, doing a couple edits, doing some stuff for the gym, graphic design work, mapping on an event that we have coming up. So I think it's lunchtime. Let's take a look what's in the fridge. All right, well, yeah, lunch. More work, right? Just finished an edit, just posted up on YouTube, which, by the way, if you guys haven't checked that video out yet, whew, life-changing. Definitely make sure you go check it out. I'll post the card up top. But yeah, I gotta go head to the gym. We've got a little bit of work to do over there. I'm gonna meet an electrician to fix some stuff, and I actually have to shoot a video that I will edit for the gym vlog. So all the editing life, just hashtag vlog life all over the place. So see you guys over there. All right, well, electrician came, fixed the light, which was great, unpacked some supplements, did some recording for the vlog for the gym, editing that now. So what's next? Well, I gotta work, right? So I actually have to coach. I might set up a time lapse, see if we can set something up like that. It's a little bit long, it's an hour class. So I'll record me running the first half of class, and then I'll record them doing the workout in a time. I gotta go to work, and yeah, this day has not been an adventure. It's been full of things to do, but not necessarily very adventurous. I only have a few more hours to try to fix that, so we'll see what happens. All right, so I mean, like, that's pretty much it. That's a pretty normal day for me. Overall, it's really not that exciting. You know, I do a lot of computer work, work out, work at the gym, like, do a lot of edits. That's really about it. But honestly, the thing that's different is it's the life that I want to live, right? I'm working for myself. I'm doing the edits for myself. I own the gym. Like, I'm not working for anybody else. And this is the life that I choose to live. It allows me to have a flexible schedule, to help people in need, and you know, be creative. It kind of ticks all of my boxes and everything that I would want it to be. So that's the point of today, guys, is that just because your life is, you know, the same every day, it doesn't mean that it's not the life you want to live. And that's really what I want you guys to go after, is living your life, not somebody else's. Like, lead the life that you want to lead, and that's it. So I hope this inspires you guys to get out there and just live life and just do you, right? That's it. That's all there is to it. Well, if you liked the video, hit the like button. If you didn't, hit the dislike button and leave a comment in the section below so you tell me why you didn't like it. If you're new to the channel, think about hitting that subscribe button and karate kicking that little notification bell so that you know when we post new videos. But other than that, guys, it's been a blast. I'll see you later. Take it easy.